Bronfenbrenner's biological model, structure of environment continuation.
The ecosystem. Ecosystems are environments in which the developing individual is not an active participant. This includes the city government, the workplace, and the mass media. There are some circumstances in which the child is not participating and where their experience is external, but it nevertheless has an impact on them. The child's parents' workplace is an example of an ecosystem. For instance, if a parent has a poor day at work, is promoted, or is required to work extra, all these occurrences have an effect on the child. The macro system is the larger culture as a whole and includes socio-economic status, wealth, poverty, and ethnicity. It describes the culture in which the individual lives. Members of a culture group share a common identity. Macro systems usually evolve over time because future generations can change. A prime example of the macro system is the culture our children absorb. The ideas, customs, and social behaviors influence children's identity, values, and perceptions. The chrono system. This system consists of all the experiences that a person has had during his or her lifetime, including environmental events, major life transitions, and historical events. This involves patterns of stability and change in the child's life. Externally, it can affect or influence the child, like the timing of other siblings coming, or the timing of parental separation or even death. Effect can also be internal, like in the bodily changes that occur within the developing child, like the timing of menstrual onset for girls. In conclusion, it's no longer nature versus nurture. It's nature nurturing. The long discussion could be ending. There has been a long-running argument about whether nature or nurture has a greater impact on infant development for decades, if not millennia. Furthermore, the ecological systems theory emphasizes the child's environment's quality and context. Bronfenbrenner observed that as a kid grows older, the interplay between layers of environmental systems becomes increasingly complicated. All in all, this bioecological theory explains how the kid is affected by many events, conditions, and interactions in the world as he or she progresses through the more or less predictable stages of natural growth and development. And that would be all. Thank you.